You clicked on the thumbnail because of what you saw, right? Yes, it's true. And I'll be teaching you how to do it, right? Okay. So first of all, my name is Elvis, and then welcome to my brand new channel, which we are going to I'll be teaching you how to make money online and do stuff online, right? Okay, so I'll just make this quick and short. So I'll just jump into the action. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that YouTube will send you a notification anytime I post new videos. Okay, so let's get right in. I'll just take you to my laptop screen, then we do everything there, right? Let's go. So basically, I don't want to make this video a long one, so just go straight to the point. Okay, type in Volutic, so you can then click enter. Then you see the first link here, Volutic, earn money by reading emails. You click on that, then so all you have to do is just click on the register, then fill in the details here. So your username, email, password, confirm password. So the referral, you see referral, so it's either you use my username or something, yeah. So I just put my name in the video description, something, then you just copy it and paste it here. So when you are done, you click on I have read and accept. If you want to check this too, you can, but it's up to you. So after that, you basically just come back here, sign in with your email and password, then you log in. So when you click on the login, they will ask for a security code, which they will send to your email here. So refresh this there, yeah. So as you can see, the code has been sent to 7, then boom, you are into your account. So for you, you'll be seeing everything here 0.000, everything will be 0, right? So I just started like 2 days ago, that is why I have this amount here. So basically what you can do to earn is Volutic here will be sending you emails every single day, or it can be multiple times a day, right? So any email that you see from Volutic, as you can see, Volutic. So yes, so all you have to do is just click on this. If you click on this, then I've already done it, so I just want to show you the whole process. So when they send you an email like this, you can see the link here. So all you have to do is you click on the link, take you to another website, right? And then they have advertisement, and all you see is this one will be reading. So when it reaches 100, you are going to get paid, right? So they'll pay you straight to your Volutic account. I've already done this, so they are going to tell me stuff that I've already received my earnings or something. Let's wait. Okay, they say click the track. That's the track. Click on send, then you see you've already watched this ad, right? Yes, so feel free to visit the website. So if you want to play around with this website that pops up, you can, but yeah. So then another way to also earn here is by referrals, right? So you come to referrals, come to the link and tools or something. Yes, you can see your referral link here, or if you don't want to go through this long process, the referral link is already here. So you just click on copy, and to be copied to your clipboard, send it to your friends and family, you feel me? Yeah. So they also register, yeah. So if they register, you're going to also get some commission, then which will come here. So the commissions that you earn here, if you want to transfer it to your main balance, then you come to money, click on transfer, then you just enter the amount on the commission, then click transfer, then everything here will transfer to your main balance. and as simple as that, then you can withdraw, right? So the withdrawal, you just click on withdraw. Then how to withdraw is very simple. So the minimum payout is 10 cents, and right now I have just 3 cents. So if I get to the minimum threshold or something, I will do another video on how to withdraw your earnings on Holotic, right? And then the maximum payout here is $10, right? And then the withdrawal method here is pay here, or if you have a faucet pay account, you can just transfer it there, but pay here is the most popular one here, so we just stick to that one, right? So in the next video I'm going to show you how to withdraw, right? So that's basically it. So I see you in the next video. Bye.